Hi, here's Ariel again. After introducing you to the Ururau software on the previous video, now I'm going to make an overview of all modules of Ururau in order to make them clearer. This overview will be held in two parts. This is the first one. To start, you can put a module in the work area simply by clicking on the module on the templates, dragging and dropping it in the work area. Each module has its own configuration box, which can be opened in the middle of the module, wait until appearing the hand pointer, click on the mouse right button, and then on Edit. As you can see, the first module I'm showing is the Create. This module is an entity generator. It is responsible for generating entities into the model in a random frequency based on a distribution function or simply on a constant. The second one is the function. This module aggregates the commands seize, delay, and release in this sequence. That is, it seizes the entity, delays a specific period of time, and releases the resource for the next entity. These parameters can be modified as in the Create module, opening the Edit box. The Moving module plays the role of a transport. The time or the function of time that would take to move the entity to the next module is specified here. The Terminate is the fourth module. It simply ends the module list. The visible entities are counted at this point. To better show the jump module, I will open an example that can be found in the test subfolder of the Ururau folder. As you can see, this module diverts the processing commands to other line of command. It is used to make the model better arranged. The next module is the local. I will open another example. This module has two functions. One is seize. This command holds one or more entities for processing. For each entity that passes through the module, one or more resources are occupied depending on the amount of resource required. It is possible that an entity stay caught while two or more resources works in the entity if the amount requested is greater than 1. The entities that cannot be answered enter the queue until the resource is released by this same module, but configured in a different state. The state is release. This configuration releases the entity used by the same previous module. It releases the requested resource for the next entity waiting in the queue. Just specify which resource and which queue is used by it to release the current entity. These states can be changed in the Edit box. Seize as prender and release as soltar. A function module is put between two local modules, one configured in seize, another configured in release, to express the delay of the resource use. The last one of the video is the hold module. As the name says, it holds the entities in a queue until a condition satisfied. Once the condition becomes true, the entity proceeds to the next module. Otherwise, if the condition is still false, it waits in a queue. On the next video, we will continue to check the function of each block. Thank you for now.